The Easy2Propagate Kit is an automated propagation system for clones and young seedlings. The system includes a propagation lid with 4 vents and an 8-inch height. A 6.6 gallon FlexiTank allows you to position your water supply close at hand and packs away easily when not in use. A 4-foot by 2-foot garden tray provides a large, stable base for the system with an ideal depth for cultivating young plants. An AquaValve 5 and an AquaValve cover are supplied to provide on-demand watering to the plants. 2 high-wicking cocoa mats sit in the tray and hold all the moisture your plants will require. The cocoa mats control watering by holding and gradually wicking the water to the plants via capillary action. A root control sheet ensures that your system has optimum functionality and that the tray and matting remain clean and free from root invasion. Cut a section out of one corner of the cocoa mat using heavy-duty scissors. This is to allow for the AquaValve and AquaValve cover to sit on the garden tray. Allow sufficient space for both to fit comfortably. 8 inches by 5 inches is ideal. Cutting is easier after cocoa mat has been soaked. Cut an identically sized, identically placed section out of the root control sheet to allow placement of the AquaValve and AquaValve cover. Place the cocoa mat in the Easy2Propagate tray. Place the root control sheet on top of the cocoa mat, gold-faced up. Now place the small pots or seed trays on the surface of the root control sheet. Ensure that the pots or seed trays are flat-based and that they allow for the growing media to make contact with the surface of the root control sheet. Similarly, always ensure that plugs, cubes, or root balls are in full contact with the control sheet. Water through each pot, seed cell, cube, plug, or root ball once from the top. This will ensure that the capillary action starts between the surface of the root control sheet and the growing media in contact with the root control sheet.